Good morning, everybody. It's an early one, and it's time to feed those porch kitties. Looks like a little snow yesterday. You stay in the house tonight? Yeah. Let's see about your buddies. All right, who's here today? Oh, here comes Puppers. Hey, buddy. Hey, no fights. No fights. Hey. You. Puppers. How's my kitty? Benitoo. Aw, the pals reunited. Hey, Puffs. Oh, good kitty. Ow, why'd you bite me? Ow. No biting. You eating up the can? Okay, one for you. You're gonna need two. Good kitty. Good kitty. It's a little bit of snow today, so I'm gonna have to sweep. Still coming down a little bit, but it's not too deep. Good kitty. I like the spoon. Good kitty.